If you pay income tax, you'll want to listen to this. Big changes come into effect from the 1st of April and this is no April Fool's prank. If you've missed the announcements, do not worry. BQ Prime has got you covered. First and foremost, before you do anything else, you'll have to decide on what tax regime that you'll follow in the new financial year. This is important because if you don't specifically choose the old tax regime, you'll pay the tax according to the new regime by default. Let me take you through the other major changes. First, in an attempt to make the new tax regime more attractive, the tax exemption limit has been raised to 3 lakh rupees from earlier 2.5 lakh rupees. Now remember, just like always, your income is incrementally taxed higher the more you earn. The tax slabs and rates are showing right up on your screen. Income from over 3 lakh rupees to 6 lakh rupees is taxed at 5% and it goes up to all income above 15 lakh rupees, which is taxed at highest rate of 30%. Second, and this is the other significant change, if you're earning up to 7 lakh rupees and opt for the new tax regime, you won't have to pay any tax. That's also part of government's plan to sweeten the deal for those making the shift. The rebate offered by the government on tax is raised to 25,000 rupees from 12,500 rupees earlier, but only for those choosing the new tax regime. If you choose the old tax regime, income up to 5 lakh rupees is tax-free like before. Third, there is a standard deduction that has been added to the new tax regime to bring it on par with the old one. That stands at 50,000 rupees and is deductible from your taxable income no matter what regime you choose. Fourth, the surcharge rate is cut to 25% from 37% earlier if you're an individual earning more than 5 crore rupees. In fact, if you are earning over 2 crore rupees, this flat 25% surcharge will apply in the new tax regime. Take a closer look at your screen for the revised surcharge rates. Fifth, individuals and Hindu undivided families can choose every year which tax regime they will follow if they don't have any business income. But with business income, you can choose once in a lifetime option. Only once you are allowed to go back to old regime with no further option to return to the new tax regime. Sixth, a quick heads up for some specified businesses including MSMEs. Your turnover limit under section 44 AD is now raised to 3 crore rupees versus 2 crore rupees. The government has also amended section 44 ADA and has revised the presumptive taxation limits of gross receipts from 50 lakh rupees to 75 lakh rupees for specified professions. Seventh, if you're filing your tax returns on your own without seeking any help from a chartered accountant, and if you're super confused which tax regime to choose, don't worry, the Income Tax Department has launched an income tax calculator for you so you can choose smartly. Told you it's no fool's day. Now go do your math, choose wisely and file your returns quickly to avoid penalties later.